what is the difference between little and few, and how to use a before little and few. Okay, here first we need to know the meaning of little, a little, the little, few, a few, the few. Okay, right. The first one, little. Little has a negative meaning, that means hardly any. If we say little water, means hardly any, no water, you can say. So compared no water. Okay. A small example, little did they know of the danger. Little did they know of the danger. Practically, it means practically they did not know of the danger. They did not have any idea of the danger. So there we can use a little. So little means hardly any. So nothing, they don't know anything about it. Okay, that is the meaning of little. Then if we are using a little means small amount. Small amount. Out of big, very small amount we are considering. It means a little water was available after the drought. So drought has come, but after that a small quantity of water is left. That's what we said. A little water was available after the drought. A little, a little. Next one, the little. The little means small amount but all of it. That is the only thing left. The little. It may be a small amount, but that is the last one. That is the last product. The little. Okay. It means the little water available after the drought was given only to children. So whatever the water was left, it was given to the children. So that is a. So little means hardly any, nothing was there. A little, some is there, out of many or out of much. The little means only the water which is left. Okay. The same principles is applicable to few, a few, the few. When we refer to countable nouns, Okay. Like few people can keep a secret. Few people. Very rare, very less. Very less. Few people. And we are not using anything before few. A few people can keep a secret. Next one, he has a few close friends. Of course, he has many friends are there. But in the many friends, a few close friends. A few close friends are there. So, a number of some certain percentage. Next one, he lost the few friends he had. That means he had only some friends. He lost the few friends also. The few friends also. Okay, few, a few, the few. Little, a little, the little. Okay, so once again, little means negative, hardly any. A little means very small. The little means only that amount. Same like few means like many are there but only few chosen one. And a few close friends, he has many friends but in that only few close friends are there. The few means only those few friends. So that is the difference between the little, a little, the little, few, a little, a few, the few. So we can use a before little and few. So that is the reason a little, a few we say. Okay. Thank you. Your friend Sudhakar from Surakshyama.